Tonight, more than 10,000 Texans are in the hospital fighting COVID. It's the most in 3 months, and 151 of those patients are right here in Jefferson County. Our hospitalizations have started shooting up again, and this graph really tells the story. We're on the way to what appears to be a fourth surge. Certainly, this has strained the Southeast Texas Regional Infusion Center. That facility has only received a tenth of the supplies it needs, and that's forcing them to prioritize patients. That means many people who want the infusion can't get it right now. Jefferson County Judge Jeff Branick and his wife Sherry both have COVID and both opted out of the infusion. 12 News reporter Amelia White talked to Judge Branick tonight to get an assessment from him.
Jordan, Judge Jeff Branick and his wife couldn't get the infusion treatment. They want to make sure people who truly need the treatment have the opportunity to get it. For Jefferson County Judge Jeff Branick and his wife Sherry.
I don't know, as I sit here today, where I contracted the virus.
It's now day 4 of being in quarantine after testing positive for COVID-19.
Friday, we got some test kits and tested her, and hers was positive within about 30 seconds, even though you're supposed to wait for 10 minutes.
Branick and his wife decided to opt out of getting the infusion treatment.
In pretty good health, and as is she. And so we've got to reserve those for people with co-morbidities, and we don't have those.
Jefferson County received a shipment of 126 antibody infusion treatments last week. Todd Center's Associate VP of Operations at Baptist Hospital says that was only 15% of their order. The drug has proven to be much more effective on Omicron.
But unfortunately, with reduced supply, we've had to restrict the availability only to those who are most in need.
Health officials over at the infusion center are referring to FDA guidelines,
which is greater than age 55 unless there is a pre-existing medical condition. And those between the age of 55 and 65 also need to have a pre-existing medical condition.
Branick says he's hopeful they'll receive more doses soon.
We'll get notice of what our allocation is going to be for the upcoming week. We're hopeful it's going to be higher than the 126 that we got last week.
Branick plans to retest tomorrow. He's on the lookout for a negative test result so he can get back to work. I'm live in Beaumont. Amelia White, 12 News.